We're going to customize our URL because we are over 100 subs. Excited about that. So we're going to customize our URL. Join me. Content creators to African Multi Design. My name is Zanele. Our channel is dedicated in helping your small business grow and thrive online. In this video, we're going to customize our URL so that it doesn't look like that and it doesn't have all those jibber jabber. We're going to rename it and call it our brand. What you then need to do is to go to your profile picture and go to your studio. And we are accessing our studio. Once we get to the studio, we're going to scroll down and we're going to go to the customization with the magic wand. And when we get to customization, we're going to go to basic information. And we're going to scroll down and get to the part that says set customer URL. So currently it is that jibber jabber, and YouTube allows us to change the channel name to follow our brand. So one thing that you do need to take note of, YouTube is not going to allow you if you don't have a profile picture, if you don't have more than 100 subscribers, or if you don't have a header on your channel. So there we go. It has given us the YouTube with African Multi Design. We're happy with that. We're going to publish. And it's asking us to confirm if we are ready to use African Multi Design. We're very excited and we are ready. And it applies the name and then it says it's published and it asks us to go to the channel. And then it has changed. It takes a few moments for the name to change on the address bar, but that is how you change your channel name from the jibber jabber to your actual brand that you've worked very hard for. I'm just going to jump back in there on the magic wand and to double check the basic information, and there our custom name is there and it's set. Thank you for joining me on this session. Please don't hesitate to subscribe if I'm adding value, and yes, please like. That helps my channel so much and we can help so many small business owners. I'll see you on the next one.